Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying consent and ownership. Never proceed without explicit permission. Next, set up a reputable screen recorder and enable encryption so captured data stays private. Once ready, position the device and close unrelated apps to reduce noise and check battery or power. Make sure to explain to the owner what you will record and why. Documenting consent protects both of you. This prevents legal exposure and keeps the process transparent and accountable from the first step. Start the recording focused on the specific session you were granted permission for, and narrate actions so the purpose is clear. Once recording, log timestamps and brief notes for each segment so later review is precise and auditable. Make sure to stop immediately if sensitive unrelated information appears, and redact or securely delete those portions. After the session, move files to an encrypted folder, set strict access controls, and inform the owner about retention and deletion timelines to maintain trust. To complete the task, use the recording only to assist legal recovery steps such as following account recovery flows or confirming input with a password manager rather than extracting secrets. Once done, securely share any necessary findings with the owner and delete or archive the recording according to the consented retention policy. If you encounter corrupted files, check codecs, available disk space, and app permissions, then re-record with those fixes. Remember, ethical handling and documented consent are the primary safeguards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.